Action.
Hey guys, it's Kyle Brown back here with another video. I told you this video was gonna come out sooner or later. I have a disability. See, I have a disability, but I don't let that disability stop me from doing what I love. My disability is CP, but my Instagram is KYLERAUH with the YouTube logo. My channel is KYLERAUH with my face on it. You can't miss it. I'll put it.
This face?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's pretty ugly.
Can you slow down and say it again so people can understand?
Okay. It has the subtitles. Yeah, don't let your disability stop you, and just live life to the fullest, because tomorrow's never promised.
Explain to us about your wheels, Kyle.
I was born this way. I'm 21 years old tomorrow. The time I post this will be tomorrow. But I would really appreciate it if you spread the love to other people so I can get a better, not a better audience, but a bigger audience. I'll have merch coming out pretty soon. All that good stuff.
What are you riding?
Cosia 90. It's all board out and stuff. And my
Got us a little two-stroker.
yeah, my big brother made it to fit my body so I can ride it better. So
You gonna fire this baby up? Show us what you